lassies, and welcome to Mondello Park. So we're currently sat in the Suzuki Jimny, which by the way is amazing. But long story short, this video, it's not really for anything other than the memories, because basically myself and a few friends, as you know, myself and Tim, who you see on the YouTube channel, have had the old 1989 Astra GTE, and it's been amazing. However, we decided to upgrade to a Renault Clio with a bit of a twist. So it's our first day on the track today and we're buzzing. And also one of my friends, Kiri's there, he's also got a Clio. But yeah, so we're just gonna have a little bit of a video or a little bit of a fun day on the track really, and we'll see how it goes. So here is the beast. It's a Clio 197 Cup and it's got the running gear of a Megane RS, so it's about 280 brake. It's an absolute beast. Yeah, I'm in. Woo, it's a tight squeeze. Come on, baby. Yeah, boy. Yeah, okay. Roll back. Roll back. Back there, Dave, yeah. Good. There's the Jimny. So yeah, it's running about 280 brake all to the front wheels. And we haven't really driven it. We drove it in, the guy we bought it off, a lovely lad who we've met here, drove it in his yard, but that's about it. So today's a big day.
The tyres on that, we'll put the tools in the Land Rover.
Perfect. So we've got some slicks. Some semi-slicks. Also this colour wheel is awful, but anyway. Here she is. Side exit exhaust. Alright, so the lads are going to take Chloe the Clio out and I'm going with Kiri in Clio Radcar, he calls this one. So Kiri, how are we? This is your daily.
This is the Christmas daily, Dave.
The Christmas daily. Alright, so Kiri, a veteran of the track, with his first day, we nearly crashed into this trailer. First day in the new car, are you excited?
Can't wait, man, just hope it holds up.
How is she?
Fast.
Enjoy, lads. Woohoo! Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I feel like it's because I think because we're car. Right, here we go. Oh my god, it is quick. Oh yeah, it's over here, yeah.
Yeah, just careful.
Right, fifth there now. Oh my god.
Watch here, it might spin. This is exactly where I spin.
It's a good track, and I'm behind Kiri as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so stiff, it's insane.
Oh, it is so stiff, man.
First lap, will we take an M2?
Yeah.
It is quick though.
1 minute. 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 1
Right, so the first few laps done and it is phenomenal. So the only issue we're having, I don't know if you could hear us talking about, but basically this disc there, I think it's a little bit warped, so you get some shudder in, which is just, it's the opposite of confidence instilling. It's confidence distilling when you come into the corners and it's shuddering, but it's absolutely fine if you just push down a little bit harder. But the grip is insane, and we're not even running. We do have, also I hate these wheels, but we do have these full slicks up here, but we're not even running them. So I can only imagine how grippy they are, because these semi-slicks are phenomenal. But we're just kind of checking that all the belts are tight now, checking the tyre pressure, maybe reduce it a little bit and go back out. Unfortunately, I have to leave early. My sister very selfishly has decided to get married tomorrow, so I need to go to a lunch the day before that. But incredible day on the track. The car is phenomenal. The grip is just mind-blowing. Definitely need some a whole new brake setup. I think that's the only thing that holds it back. So basically it doesn't shudder for the first 2 or 3 laps, and then they obviously get hot, and then the disc must be warped or something. But 10 out of 10, best first day. We have a long way to go in terms of driver skill, but really enjoyed it. But anyway, I'm about to head on the road now, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I've actually got loads more wakeboarding videos, so I film it in Florida, but I just haven't edited them yet. But they'll come in the next while, and yeah, to be honest, right now I'm fully on the track car buzz. I can't wait. Also, if you're looking for a 1989 Astra GT with a Vauxhall red top, roll cage, bucket seats, it's for sale, and it can be sold with a trailer too. We need to get rid of it because I need to get more money for this thing. But I will say, if you're going to get into track days, get a few friends, because splitting it 3 ways now, I mean, there's no way I could have afforded that car on my own, and there's no way I could afford to run it on my own. But splitting it 3 ways, yes, you get less seat time, but when you have something like that, it seems to be quite reliable. You get a good bit of time out in it, and it's actually worth it having it with other people, because you can enjoy it as well, if that makes sense. Like sharing the kind of the pain and the misery when stuff breaks, but also like getting the buzz out of it it's brilliant. Anyway, I'll stop blabbering on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.